Hi, I am Ming and this is my output for laboratory exercise number 5. Number 1. Enumerate the types, characteristics, advantage, and limitations of production processes. The types of production processes are job shop production, batch production, mass production, and continuous production. The characteristics of job shop productions are high variety of products in low volume, use of general purpose machines and facilities, highly skilled operators who can take up each job as a challenge because of uniqueness, large inventory, material, tools, parts, detailed planning is essential for sequencing the requirements for each product capacities, for each work center and order priorities. The advantage of job productions are a variety of products can be produced because of the general purpose machine and facilities. Operators will become more skilled and competent as each job gives them learning opportunities. Full potential of operators can be utilized. Opportunity exists for creative methods and innovative ideas. The limitation of job productions are the cost is higher due to frequent setup changes, higher level of inventory at all levels and hence the higher inventory cost. Production planning is complicated. There is a large space requirement. Batch production, the characteristics of batch production systems are it has shortened production run, plant and machinery are more flexible, plant and machinery setup is used for the production of item in a batch and change of setup is required for processing the next batch. Manufacturing lead time and cost are lower compared to job order production. The advantages of batch productions are better utilization of plant and machinery, promotes functional specialization, cost per unit is lower as compared to job order production, lower investment in plant and machinery, flexibility to accommodate processes, number of product, job satisfaction exists for operators. The limitations of batch productions are material handling is complex because of regular and longer flows. Production planning and control is complex. Work in process inventory is higher compared to continuous production. Higher setup costs due to frequent changes in setup. The characteristics of mass productions are standardization of product and process sequence, dedicated special purpose machine having higher production capacities and output rate, large volume of product, shorter cycle time of production, lower in process inventory, for perfectly balanced production line, flow of materials, components, and parts is continuous and without any backtracking. Production planning and control is easy. Material handling can be completely automatic. The advantages of mass productions are higher rate of production with reduced cycle time, higher capacity utilization due to line balancing, less skilled operators are required, low process inventory, manufacturing cost per unit is low. The limitations of mass productions are breakdown of one machine will stop an entire production line. Line layout needs major change with the changes in the product design. High investment in production facilities. The cycle time is determined by the slowest operation. The characteristics of continuous productions are dedicated plant and equipment with zero flexibility. Material handling is fully automated. Process follows a predetermined sequence of operation. Component materials cannot be readily identified with final product. Planning and scheduling is a routine action. The advantages of continuous productions are standardization of product and process sequence, higher rate of production with reduced cycle time, higher capacity utilization due to line balancing, manpower is not required for material handling as it is completely automatic, person with limited skills can be used on the production line. Unit cost is lower due to high volume production. The limitations of continuous productions are flexibility to accommodate and process number of product does not exist. Very high investment for setting low flow lines and product differentiation is limited.